Like to run when it's cool, and yeah, this morning will be a good one for that in northern Utah, where temperatures have dropped, which we'll show you in a moment. About yesterday, some of the storms brought some very heavy rain. In fact, over an inch at Lake Fork in the Uintas. Golden Spike had a little bit less than that. Lost Creek Reservoir about a half inch, a third of an inch of Provo, and then some other cities, of course, had some decent showers coming down. This morning, though, most of those are confined to the central part of the state. That's where you'll have some wet roads. Otherwise, temperatures in the north are cooler than 24 hours ago, while in southwest Utah, a little bit warmer. Most of us are in the 50s and 60s. In fact, right at 60 degrees in Salt Lake City. And we've got a trough low pressure dropping in slowly from the northwest, and as that moves through today into tomorrow, that'll keep some active weather going. Even though it's pretty quiet this morning, heading into the afternoon, we'll get a better chance of those showers and thunderstorms. Some of those could pop up over the northern mountains, Bear River Range, Oakers, Wasatch, of course, but most will be over central and southern Utah, but primarily along and over the higher terrain east of I-15 and then to points east, with the best chance of the heavier rain in the southeast, and that's where the flash flood potential will be the highest. But it looks like a lot of that dies down by later this evening. Temperature in Salt Lake will climb to 79, which is still mild for September, only a couple degrees below average, but several degrees lower than it was yesterday. Becoming mostly sunny over much of the north, but again, over the southern two-thirds of the state, we'll have that chance of showers and thunderstorms, with the temperature in St. George climbing to 85. By tomorrow, though, the storms would be confined pretty much to the far south and the far east as we continue to dry out. And that's great news heading into the last weekend of summer. It'll look good, sunny, and luckily warming up. Low 90s in St. George, and then dropping into the mid 80s by the middle of next week. And in Salt Lake City, it's going to be sunny, low 80s tomorrow, mid 80s over the weekend, and stay pretty warm all the way through Monday and Tuesday. So